Can a landlord raise the rent while a tenant is currently living in the unit? The answer depends on two things: what kind of lease you have and whether rent control applies. Fixed-term lease, a lease with a defined start and end date, the rent is locked for the entire term. You cannot raise it mid-lease without the tenant's written consent, unless the lease has a specific rent escalation clause that allows it. Wait for renewal to adjust the rate. Month-to-month tenancy, more flexible. Since the agreement renews each month, you can adjust rent at any renewal with proper written advance notice. Typically 30 days for standard increases. California requires 90 days for increases above 10%. Oregon requires 90 days for any increase at all. Rent control adds another layer. In covered jurisdictions, California under AB 1482, New York City, Los Angeles, San Francisco, Oregon statewide, annual increases are capped regardless of the notice you give. In California, that cap is currently 5% plus local CPI, with a maximum of 10%. Raising above that cap, even with proper notice, is illegal and subject to rollback. A rent increase is also illegal if it's retaliatory, served shortly after a tenant complains about repairs or contacts a housing authority, or if it's discriminatory. The process for a legal rent increase: check the lease for any escalation clause, verify rent control status and the current year's allowable percentage, prepare a written notice with the new amount and effective date, serve it with enough advance time for your state's requirement, and keep proof of service. For your state's specific notice requirements and any applicable caps, TenantScreeningBackgroundCheck.com has rent increase law guides for all 50 states.